Former Victorian Liberal leader John Pesutto has been ordered to pay more than $2.3 million in costs after losing a defamation case brought by fellow Liberal MP Moira Deeming. The order raises the prospect he'll be bankrupted and forced out of state parliament. Richard Willingham reports.
This all goes back to 2023 when John Pesutto was still the opposition leader. He tried to expel fellow Liberal Moira Deeming from the party room after she attended an anti-trans rights rally here on the steps of Parliament that was later gatecrashed by neo-Nazis. Now, Mr Pesutto linked her to those neo-Nazis, which the federal court found was defamatory and ordered him pay $315,000 in damages to Ms Deeming. It also cost him his leadership of Victorian Liberals. This morning, the federal court ruled that he needs to pay $2.3 million of Ms Deeming's legal costs. Now, why is this a concern? This is because we understand that John Pesutto right now can't pay that $2.3 million or his own legal costs, which will be hundreds of thousands of dollars. He could be bankrupted, and if he's bankrupted, he can no longer sit in the Victorian Parliament. This will trigger a by-election in the seat of Hawthorn, which just happens to sit in the federally independently held seat of Kooyong. And there are worries within the Liberal Party the party would not hold on to that seat if a by-election was held right now or even this year. The pressure has been put on the new opposition leader, Brad Batten, to try and come up with some sort of peace deal, but that has failed to materialise. He says right now it's just a hypothetical about a by-election and he's keeping all those conversations private. But once again, the Victorian Liberal Party is facing an internal crisis entirely of its own making.